Hey, my name is Kazim and I am from Bizistech, and today we are going to talk about a safety reimbursement and how these claims work and what are these for. So first of all, we are going to talk about the purpose and the seller assurance of e-commerce transactions on safety claims process. It allows you to file a claim on the reimbursement if you want to appeal the Amazon's decisions that Amazon has reimbursed some buyer their money and you think that the claim was false or there is some problem with the packaging or with the product and you have been charged falsely. Okay, so first of all, we need to see how it is a good news, why it is a good news. Anytime Amazon places a program, well, it takes responsibility for the money. Now it is responsible for your money that Amazon is going to charge to you when a buyer is going to return your product. Now when you look at it, and if you believe that your money has been sent to the buyer but it was a wrong decision by Amazon, then you can just claim to Amazon that my product was not in its real packaging or it was not really in its right, you can say, condition. Yeah, so in that case what will happen, that you can file a claim to Amazon and Amazon is going to return your money. All right, so how it does work, let's see. If a safety claim is approved by Amazon, you can check the requirement and the reimbursement process in the payment section in the reports tab. Now there are two main grounds where sellers can request for reimbursements. Number one is the product is damaged by Amazon during onward or return transit. Okay, and the second one is the item is not returned in its original packaging. Okay, so these are the two times when you can ask Amazon to return your money because there were these two reasons or one of this reason has been happening with your product. Now Amazon will then reimburse your product in following cases. Now there are going to be some scenarios. Number one is that the return item is not delivered to the seller in 1 month after the refund date. Now, like if you say that Amazon has returned the money to the buyer but you have not received the product and it's been more than a month now, so in that case you can file a claim. Number two is the product is deemed as damaged or damage disposed of by Amazon, a local service provider. Then the amount can be reimbursed around items 40% of the value. Okay, so of course there is going to be the fee minus thing, but 40% of the items value you are going to get that back. Now, items are lost by Amazon. In this case, the marketplace will reimburse the 100% of your product's value. Like if it was for 22 USD, then you are going to get back 22 bucks. Okay. Now, this is the new thing that Amazon has started, and it is going to really affect the selling system, and it is really going to decrease the number of fraud buyers. So that's a good step from Amazon. And that's it for today. We will get back to you with the new updates. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.